Hello, happy Wednesday. I just ate a bagel, so I feel like I have food in my teeth, but I just got a facial, you guys. If you guys have not had a facial in a long time, highly recommend. I just needed to have a little bit of self-love today and just work on my skin because my skin's been hating me. So I just got back from my facial and I wanted to share a few things with you guys. Okay, so we have changed rooms, we have changed hair, but we're gonna stop changing things. I just want to share this with you guys. I'm actually pretty excited about it, but here we are. Ooh, this is called an Oodie. Oodie. Again, it's O-O-D-I-E, so however you pronounce that. But let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I'm actually really excited. I always love opening things. I don't know if you guys know that about me, but opening things is like one of my favorite things. You should see me as a kid when I like had Christmas and birthdays. Like I was always the one that was like, oh my god, thank you. Like, you know, my sister's like that too. It looks so cute already. So it looks super fluffy and like, really good quality. It just looks really comfortable. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, right off the bat, this is just so cozy. Like, oh, you guys. This is incredible. Look how big it is. First of all, it's gigantic, it's cozy, it's comfortable. I'm so excited. This is so freaking cute. Guys, it's like a blanket but a hoodie, and I'm obsessed.
Do you like it, Mr. Caillou? Do you like it? Cozy.
Is it cozy? I know. You want an Oodie too? If you guys can't tell what's on it, these are sloths. So it's just a bunch of sloths. And I love it. Alright, here is another view for you guys so you guys can see it. Nice and cozy. It has a giant pocket in the front, which is really nice. And again, lots of sloths, which I love. It's got a giant hood, and it goes down to about my knees. Oh, I love it. You guys, I have been crafting my little heart out. I have been making badge buddies and then badge reels. I've been designing some cups, and I've just been doing so many things. I ordered some new glitter and all different like types of vinyl, and just, oh, you guys, I'm so excited. But if you guys don't know, I actually accepted a labor and delivery position in OB as a nurse. So I made myself a badge reel and a badge buddy for that. I feel like I haven't really talked about it much on my YouTube channel. I've talked a lot about it on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff, but if you guys want me to do a video about it and talk about it, just comment down below and I can make sure I get to that. But I'm just making a badge reel for a classmate of mine. If you guys can hear my dog, he is snoring in the background. But just opening up design space to get her design ready to put on her scrub top badge reel. So that is what I'm making currently. I am working away today. This is what my station looks like. It's a hot mess express, but got some good things going here. I got a lot of things done on my laptop this morning, but I have my shake over here on my phone, like my to-do list. There's a method to this madness, okay? I got all of the badge reels and stuff I need to do for orders. The one I'm working on now, and then this is the giveaway that I did on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, you guys definitely should, because I do things like this. So this is a giveaway winner. This is the Hydro Jug. It's a white one. So she'll get that jug, and then the sleeve by Holly Gabriel here on YouTube, her collaboration with Hydro Jug. I loved it so much because I bought myself one that I decided to do a giveaway with it. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and package this up. I believe I'm going to do like a little thank you letter and then maybe some more tissue paper on the top, and then box this up to take to the post office. So LOL, because I obviously look like a dirty trash bag, but I got off the phone with my dad on FaceTime because, excuse you, it's my dog. today, or not today, I'm sorry, in a few days is his birthday. So today, his package delivered. I had ordered him something on Amazon and just had it shipped straight to his house. So he had FaceTimed me to like show it to me, like technically like in person. And he opened up his FaceTime and he goes, "Girl," he was like, "you look terrible." And I was like, "Thanks." Oh, he's so funny. But anyway, I'm packaging up that hydro jug, and I'm gonna go ahead and write a little like thank you note, like thank you so much for your support and following me, and you know, all that jazz. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out and get that into the box and work on this badge reel. Got some things to do. Alright, so now that I have that filled out, I'm just going to toss that right here, right on top. I'm going to get this package up, and I'm going to print my shipping label to get it sent out to her and get it to the post office. These badge reels I'm going to be taking to their homes today, so I'll meet this chick in class today because she is one of my classmates, so I'll give that to her there. And then this is for my coworker. I'm going to drop this off at her house since she lives really close. The bags are already made up, so I'm just going to go ahead and toss them in here. So one in here and then one in here. And then they already have the badge clips on them, so they are ready to go. What is up, you guys? Good morning. It's a different day. Today I'm actually about to do my workout, and then after my workout I have a hair appointment, so I plan on getting my hair done. It is super long right now, like really long. It goes like way past the middle of my back here, but anyway, my god, I look crazy. I just woke up, so I got like, you know, the dry skin and ugh. Okay, so anyway, gonna work out, gonna go get my hair done, so let's get the ball rolling. LOL, because my kitchen was clean. I just did all the dishes last night, and the sink was empty, and everything just kind of looked nice. And I was gonna say, you know, this is what I do before I go to bed, just preparing the house and like having the dishes done, and like it just makes me feel better as soon as I wake up and like already feel like more productive. But this morning, while I was sleeping, my fiance had discovered that we have a leak in our sink, and it is trickling down to our basement into our laundry room and getting all over our clothes and stuff. And I knew that, or he knew that, I'm sorry, because I did dishes last night. So after I did the dishes, all that water went down into our basement. So, LOL. So if you guys follow me on social media, you guys would know that I'm currently gluten and dairy free. So I've been obviously prepping up fruit and veggies and like all the things, but I also prepped some meals last night, and it actually is so good. And it just has like this chicken meal with some broccoli. I don't know how to describe it. It's a recipe from my nutrition program. It's literally called like chicken a la king or something, but it's so good. So my fridge is looking really nice and healthy nowadays, but yeah. So I normally use my like Energize, my like natural all pre-workout, but today I'm going to be using an Alani Nu because they're no sugar, zero everything, gluten-free. The only thing that's kind of bad about these is that they have a lot of caffeine, but I feel like I'm going to really need it today. I just have so much stuff on my to-do list, so. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and toss on some workout clothes and put my hair up somehow, some way to make it look decent, so. Okay, so got the fit on. It's just kind of like this crop top, like army crop top. Camouflage, whatever you want to call it. But then I have some Gymshark leggings on, and that's it. Alright, that is it. I have my workout on. Oh my gosh, I have my outfit on is what I meant to say. My hair is up in a clip, and I got my pre-workout, so let's go. And we're gonna go ahead and press play. Guys, so I'm currently trying on dresses for graduation. Do not mind the trash in the background. That's from all my crafting and throwing away all my vinyl and stuff, so don't mind that. But this is the dress I think I might wear for my graduation. I don't know for sure, but I mean, I spent $150 on it. I feel like I should wear it. But this is just an all-white dress. I guess from as far as like the research I've done all over like YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and all the things that graduation dresses are normally always white. And our cap and gown is red, so I felt like white would just go perfect with red, I feel like. Because I feel like other stuff might look really weird, and I don't want to really like wear black because I feel like I'm not going to a funeral, I'm celebrating, so. But this is what we're looking like. I really, really like the top and the sleeves. I really like the way that looks. I feel like this looks like one of those maternity dresses, like where they're laying down in the grass and like holding their belly and doing all the things, but that's not the case. So, yeah, I think this is it. It is a little bit see-through. You guys can kind of see my black underwear under there, but I definitely won't wear black. I'll wear something else underneath. I'm so out of breath, you guys. I don't know why. But I think this is the one, you guys. And then as far as shoes, I think I'm going to wear these nude heels. I think that just looks nice and it works. So I graduate May 7th. So I graduate in literally like 1 month. So I thought it was time to get my life together and figure out what I'm wearing and maybe like how I'm going to decorate my cap and those things. So it's exciting. Alright, you guys, it is hair time. I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm not going to vlog in there just because I'm just not going to vlog in there. But I will show the finished products when we are all done. But let's go ahead and get our hair done.